Hi everyone. So here it's me, Shivani, with Christian, and we're here together. We just danced in London, and we're super excited to join forces and finally bring Christian to Portugal. And it's happening this September in Lisbon. The workshop is Soul Power, and it's going to be the last weekend of September in central Lisbon. So come, we're excited, and just want to invite Christian also to bring his voice, his dance, his invitation to you here, and to tell you a bit more about Soul Power.
So yeah, we're going to dance, and soul power is basically connecting the body with the heart, with the consciousness, and just bringing these elements together, moving our bodies as the vessel that we feel and that we move and that we carry our awareness in, and through that activating what we call soul power. So just that kind of energy of aliveness and being and shining as human beings, shining as dancers, and in whatever else we are. So, yeah, really looking forward to being in Lisbon. Some of my ancestors from Portugal, so it's a real gift. Really looking forward to that, and looking forward to seeing who comes and meeting you. So you'll be really welcome on the dance floor.
Yes, and we have already a beautiful group, international group, from the land, from everywhere else joining, and I'm sure it's going to be a super special weekend. And yeah, it's really magical what happens on the dance floor, as some of you already know, and it's a beautiful immersive experience of really dropping in, and the magic that happens is so layered, like we're just out of one of these and it's really, yeah, it's magical beyond words. So
It's a
come.
gift. The dance is a gift.
Love you.
Ciao.
See you soon.